Annyeonghaseyo.
안녕하세요.
So, why didn't you able to attend the monthly donation today? Klase ni mo. So, how's college? Kapoy? Kapoy? But still? Fighting. Very good. So, since you didn't able to attend the monthly donation today, you will receive your monthly donation worth 2,000 from Gegom Dori Team Jangmin. Please receive it.
Ako bigyan na rin niyo. 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
So, since you didn't able to attend the monthly donation, you will receive your monthly donation worth 3,000 from Uncle Chusungjin Team Jangmin. Please receive it.
Uncle Chusungjin, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo, Teacher Richel.
안녕하세요.
So, why didn't you attend the monthly donation today?
Because I have a whole day class.
Okay, so you have a whole day class. So,
How about your interview of absences of the students? Why you didn't take a video?
Nalimot bitaw ko video.
okay, so mag-warning video ka if ang student is makaduha na ka-absent. And then, if magkatulo na, diretso na tangtang, wala na interview. Warning ka ika-second para wala na ka-interview ika-third absent. So, gets? Gets what? Okay, so, since you didn't able to attend a monthly donation, you will receive your donation today. For today. 1,000 from Chusung Jin Team Jangnim. Please receive it.
조순진 팀장님, 감사합니다.
400 from Kim Yong Sunim for your kolapo.
안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
And lastly, 500 from Kang Nim.
강님, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
So sadly, you don't have snacks. It's okay? Thank you. Bye-bye.
감사합니다. Bye.
Annyeonghaseyo, Kian.
안녕하세요.
So, since you were in school earlier, you didn't receive your snacks, which are pizza, waffle, and ice cream. So, please receive it. These snacks is from Kang Nim. What will you say?
안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Enjoy your snacks. 감사합니다.
감사합니다.
안녕하세요, Teacher Richel.
안녕하세요.
Okay. So, I'm here to deliver since I make one video na lang for them since mother of Maxine have a fever and also Anna Halmoni. So, Anna Halmoni, she have 3,000 pesos. Okay. And for Maxine mom, Maxine mother, 3,000 pesos. And two person, Jocelyn and Generous. Please take a ledger. Okay. 2,000 pesos each for Jocelyn and Generous. Okay. And that is from Ichangunim.
이창근님, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다 for my students.
Okay. Bye-bye.
감사합니다.
Annyeonghaseyo, Chloe.
Annyeonghaseyo, Kuya Rex.
Kumusta?
Okay lang.
Okay, wala kay klase ron day? Okay. So tomorrow na.
Wala po.
Wala pud. Why?
NK sa grade 10.
Test sa grade 10. Yung gamit yung room. The same with kuan. Lorimel sa Suong. Okay. Lorimel sa Buyong, sa kuan day sa Akdos. So I'm here to deliver 2,000 pesos for you. Okay, and that is from Ichangunim.
Uncle Ichangunim, annyeonghaseyo. 감사합니다.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo, Lorimel.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay. So, eskwela ka?
Wala kaya ang pulis sa mga room kaya ang grade 10. Mag-test sila.
Wala may klase. Pila ka adlaw?
2 days.
So 2 days. Okay. So I'm here to deliver 3,000 pesos for you. Okay, please receive. And that is from Ichangunim.
Ichangunim, annyeonghaseyo. 감사합니다.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
안녕하세요, Teacher Gretchen.
Annyeonghaseyo, Kuya Rex.
Okay. So, Bia is in the school today?
Whole day.
Whole day. Okay. So, I'm here to deliver one sack of rice, 25 kilos for Bea. And please relay the message for thank you for feeding Damia rice.
Agato na naman sila.
Oo. Okay. And that is from Kim Yong Sunim.
Kim Yung Sunim, annyeonghaseyo, 감사합니다 for Bea's ride.
Okay. Please relate your ha. Thank you. Bye-bye.
안녕하세요. Justin Jimmy. 안녕하세요. 감사합니다. 감사합니다.
Annyeonghaseyo, Mariel.
안녕하세요.
So, how's your school?
Okay ra.
Kaya dagag assignments?
Wala.
Activities?
Wala.
Lara. So, okay ra mo pag-eskwela?
Yes.
So, you are not here during live kay klase ka, no? Whole day?
Yes.
Okay, so, since you're not here, so there, Gigom Duri Team Jang Nim or Gigom Duri Nim gives you your monthly allowance, 2,000 pesos plus receive.
Digong Duranim. 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Kamsamida. Bye-bye.
Bye.
안녕하세요, 지린.
안녕하세요.
오라 차차님 gave you 1 box of choco pie.
오라 짜짜님. 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Bye bye.
바이바이.
안녕하세요. SG님, 감사합니다 for the egg.
Kamsahamnida, this is Jaya and we're done buying a milk tea as Sir Vicky said. And I wanted to take a video with them. Sa ganito isulti. Annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida. Balik na kamsahamnida. Kamsahamnida. Na thank you for this milk tea. Thank you for this milk tea. Thank you. Yun lang. Thank you very much for this sponsor.